testing out my new dash cam. I don't know how to get the player to play both front and back. It has a camera in front and in back. Took hours to install, but it was actually quite easy. Very few panel removals, mostly a wire hanger and duct tape to put the lines where they're supposed to go. It looks really well. Looks really good, I should say. Nothing's hanging out really, unless you know what you're looking for. You can't even see the cameras on the front and the back. They're so well blended in. And then of course just running wires underneath all the panels where you can't see anything. So now anytime I go anywhere, my every action and reaction will be recorded. It's just hopefully going to be an uneventful ride, so if you're already bored, go ahead and stop the video now. Just wanted to do a little documentation of it. Alrighty, here we go. Catch my voice. I don't think it has anything for Bluetoothing my voice, so I don't think I'll be using it to vlog, but it is nice to know that every time I get on the bike, everything will be documented. Maybe I'll catch some cool stuff. Hopefully that'll be all I catch. Worst comes to worst, whatever happens will be documented. I'm going to go down with that dollar here. I hope I don't pick up the mail or anything. Just real quick ride around my little old neighborhood in Oildale, California. Old, but it's quiet. Don't have a whole lot of problems, but we are close enough to some of the really bad neighborhoods where you still have to keep everything pretty locked up. So that is it. That is the ride. First ride with the new camera. I think it's called a Moto DV188 or something like that. I can't see it. I'll have to put it in the description. Anyways, that's the ride. Have a good day.